Hi guys, it looks like I got lucky again. See this? And see this? First time the propeller fell apart during landing. This time it fell apart during liftoff. As you can see, it cracked and a bit fell off. So I don't know, Parrot's making really crappy propellers. It looks like they're having some design problems. As you can see, the place where they're cracked. Let me just put this together. Okay, maybe you'll be able to see. The crack occurs at the edge here of the opening. So it looks like there's might be some carb which is causing a weaker spot. And when you had this huge centrifugal force, when the propeller is spinning, they can and do rip apart, as you can see. So this time around, instead of getting the originals, I got some from China, or actually they've been bought on AliExpress, the Chinese eBay type service, but they came from Tonga, which is someplace in Polynesia. So let's take a look. I hope the postman didn't bend the package too much. Okay, so they look quite nice, like the originals. As a matter of fact, I do have an original here. Although the description said propellers for Parrot 2. But these apparently are for Parrot 1. They're a smaller diameter. So I guess I'll need to file a complaint on AliExpress and request a refund. Of course they will work, but with a smaller diameter, the efficiency will not be as good as the original full-size ones. Okay, so that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again in another episode.